Sovereign citizens subscribe to a set of beliefs that fundamentally reject the authority of the federal government, leading to a variety of legal and practical problems. Here are some of the key errors in their teachings and the typical run-ins they have with the law. Key errors in sovereign citizen teachings. Misinterpretation of the Constitution. Sovereign citizens often claim that they are not subject to federal laws based on a misinterpretation of the U.S. Constitution. They believe that they are only beholden to a limited set of common laws or to the original version of the Constitution as they interpret it, ignoring amendments and federal statutes. Misunderstanding of legal terminology. They frequently misuse or misinterpret legal terms and concepts. For example, they might declare themselves free men or non-resident aliens to claim exemption from laws and regulations. False belief in redemption. Theory. A common belief is that the U.S. government created a secret straw man account tied to each citizen's birth certificate, which sovereign citizens believe can be accessed to pay off debts. This theory has no basis in reality or law. Rejection of taxation. Many sovereign citizens refuse to pay taxes, believing that taxation is illegitimate. They often rely on pseudo-legal arguments to justify their non-compliance. Use of pseudo-legal documents. Sovereign citizens file various frivolous lawsuits, liens, and other legal documents that lack any legitimate basis. They might issue fake warrants or create fictitious financial instruments, leading to further complications. Run-ins with the law tax evasion. Sovereign citizens frequently refuse to file tax returns or pay taxes, resulting in charges of tax evasion. The IRS and other tax authorities actively pursue such cases. Fraudulent legal filings. They often file baseless legal documents, such as fake liens against public officials or fraudulent property deeds, which can lead to charges of fraud, forgery, and obstruction of justice. Driving violations. Many sovereign citizens drive without valid licenses, insurance, or vehicle registrations, leading to traffic violations and subsequent legal action. They may also engage in confrontations with law enforcement during traffic stops. Contempt of court. Their refusal to recognize court authority can lead to contempt charges. They often disrupt court proceedings with pseudo-legal arguments and fail to comply with court orders. Violent confrontations. In extreme cases, encounters with sovereign citizens have turned violent, resulting in charges ranging from assault to murder. Their anti-government stance can lead to armed standoffs with law enforcement. Addressing the issue, education and training for law enforcement. Law enforcement officers need training to recognize and appropriately handle sovereign citizen encounters, emphasizing de-escalation and legal procedures. Public awareness. Raising public awareness about the fallacies and dangers of sovereign citizen beliefs can help prevent individuals from being drawn into the movement. Legal repercussions. Consistent and firm legal repercussions for sovereign citizen activities, including imprisonment and fines, can deter others from adopting these practices. Community outreach. Engaging communities through outreach programs can address underlying grievances that might attract individuals to the sovereign citizen movement, promoting lawful ways to resolve issues. By understanding and addressing the errors in sovereign citizen teachings and their legal implications, authorities can more effectively manage and mitigate the disruptions caused by this movement.